meat is already boiled, guys. I'm going to be frying it. This is the meat we are going to be using to make jollof rice. We already put our pepper soup, our pepper here. Here we are going to be frying it. I'm blending tomatoes from our crispy jollof rice. Sharp. I love boiling my tomatoes whenever I want to use it to cook the love rice. So I'm going to be blending another one, which is off camera, for boil it. Goat meat. Let's remove it. We're removing our fried meat because I wouldn't like it to be too dry. Goat meat is very sweet when it's not too dry. Let's add our oil. I'm going to be making our jollof rice now. I will allow the oil to hot a little bit before I will add my onions. First of all, we are adding our salt, followed by onions. Yes, so Christmas rice is cooking. So I will allow my onions to cool a little bit before I will add my tomatoes. I boil it already because I always boil my tomatoes before I use it, guys. Even though it's smoothing, you know I love using tomato smoothing. So, what are you preparing for Christmas, guys? I'm going to be having 1.5 margin. I'm going to be adding my goat meat water. All the water inside. I'm going to be cooking my rice for the next 1 minute. Let me add my more curry because I had curry before. Let me go and bring an open more curry. So that will be a smell looks so good, guys. The smell looks so good. So we are going to be covering the let's take a look at our jollof rice. Already. little water. Going to cover it. Yes. Let's cover it and let it cook. Our rice is already dry. Now we're going to be putting butter. Now without butter, that is not correct, as I always say. So let's add our butter. I'm going to be mixing it. So allow it to melt and rice. Our rice is ready. As you can see, the scent of this rice here. Can't wait to eat. Demolish it. It tastes so good. I know. The chef itself is in the kitchen. Guys, tastes so good. This jollof rice